It's Sunday, August 31st, about 6:15 p.m. West Coast time. A federal judge early this morning, Sunday morning, blocked President Donald Trump's administration from deporting 600 children to Guatemala. Yeah, U.S. District Judge Suknan in Washington D.C. temporarily halted the move at 4 a.m. Eastern Time after attorneys for the roughly 600 children said they had not had a chance to contest their deportation. The judge held an emergency hearing at 12:30 p.m. on Sunday to weigh the circumstances. I have the government attempting to remove minor children from the country in the wee hours of the morning on a holiday weekend, which is surprising, but here we are, said the judge during a hearing. They tried to deport 600 children on Sunday of Labor Day weekend. The judge added that she was getting conflicting narratives on the plan. I'm reading from Mediaite. Conflicting narratives on the plan from the Trump administration and attorneys from the children. Trump administration lawyers said the kids who arrived unaccompanied in the United States were part of a, quote, first of its kind pilot program, close quote, to send them back to their home country in cooperation with the Guatemalan government. The kids between the ages of 10 and 17 are supported by the Young Center for Immigrant Children's Rights, which said the Trump administration is attempting to unlawfully deport the children despite ongoing legal proceedings. Judge Suknan, who was appointed by former President Joe Biden, granted a temporary halt to the deportation for 2 weeks, saying the exigent circumstances of the case warranted maintaining the status quo, meaning keep things as they are until there are further hearings. Deputy Assistant Attorney General Drew Enson, according to ABC News, said it was possible one flight with some children had taken off for Guatemala before returning to the U.S. Enson said all the kids were in the custody of the U.S. government and no flights would happen for the time being following the judge's order. Well, it's nice to at least see the Trump administration obeying a court order to not take the plane or not let the planes take off. They have a sketchy history in that regard. The judge's order is the latest move that has thwarted the Trump administration's plan to crack down on people who have entered the U.S. illegally. On Friday, another federal judge blocked the administration's push to swiftly remove non-citizens who were in the states illegally. That order on Friday came when the members of the DOJ for the Trump administration were arguing to a judge that, again, that immigrants are not entitled to due process, and that judge said no. So 600 kids, man,